How to hide or unhide messages on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device and simply tap on the chat section. Now what you can simply do over here is, for example, I'm going to send a message to a person over here. So let me select a particular person, or let me just search for that person over here. And I'm going to tap on any particular person over here and then tap on chat. I'm going to say hey and then send it. Now you can see the message at the very first over here. Now if you want to remove it, simply tap or make a long press and then tap on chat and notification settings. Now you can select on clear from chat feed and then tap on clear, where it will not delete the messages but it will just remove it from the feed. Now if you want to unhide the message, simply tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and you can simply search for that particular person over here. And now you can just make a long press or simply tap on that profile, then tap on three dotted lines over here and then tap on chat and notification settings again and tap on pin conversation. Now go back and let's go to the chat feed, and there you go. You can unhide the messages like that. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.